So I have received my Mira Hormone Monitor in the post today, and I'm really excited to start using this. And I'm going to do a little bit of a unbox the Mira. I haven't opened it yet. So this is something that I might start using in my practice. It's a great alternative to the Dutch test. What's so great about the Mira is that it tests your hormones, so the key hormones. So the one that I've got is the Ultra 4 wand, and that will test follicular stimulating hormone, FSH, luteinizing hormone, LH, and estrogen and progesterone. And these are really important because those are the 4 key hormones that actually regulate your menstrual cycle. So these are very important ones to test, especially if you're someone with hormonal condition, symptoms like irregular cycles or missing periods. So looking at those hormones are really going to give us a full picture as to what they're actually doing. And what is so good about the Mira is that it's throughout the whole month. So with the Ultra 4 wand, you get 30 pea sticks. That's a whole month's worth. And this is so good because with other hormone testing or test in general, it's literally a snapshot. It's tested on that particular day. With the Mira, it's throughout the whole month, so we get a much better comprehensive picture as to what those 4 key hormones are doing throughout the month. It's also a lot cheaper than the Dutch test. So the Dutch test is probably the most comprehensive hormone test. That's a dried urine test, and you test your urine multiple times throughout one day. This is great because we're testing every day. And it is actually lab grade, FDA listed, lab grade as well. So yeah, I'm going to be giving this a go, and I'm going to be documenting this. It's going to be non-biased, of course, but I'm going to be documenting this. So yeah, let's get it cracking. Let's open this. How do you even open? Okay, there we go. Okay, so obviously you received the instructions. Hi, we're finally glad to meet you. When you get a little case with it as well. This is great. So this is what it looks like. And this is where you would put the wand in. I'm so excited for this. Charging port, cable. Okay, so let's open the wands. So I'm going to be starting this tomorrow because I like to practice what I preach. So I actually have a discount code to share where you get 20% off. I'll put that in the description. If you are a client, you will get a further discount if you join one of my programs. So these are what the wand looks like. I'm not going to open it because, yeah, use it tomorrow. But yes, so how we actually use this is we have the foldable urine cup, which is great and nifty. So you would catch your urine in this. Then you would take the pea stick, pull it in the sampling end. The sampling end will be detailed in the description. Sorry, in the instructions. And then you into this. That's how you use it. And the urine you test is the first urine, your first pee of the day. So it would be the pee when you wake up. That first one you do is the best time to test. Okay, that is what's recommended. So I will be keeping this in my bathroom to remind me. If you are someone that, as I said, has irregular cycles, has a condition, hormonal condition like PCOS, endometriosis, fibroids, adenomyosis. Also, if you are someone that is trying to conceive, this is a really, really good way to monitor when you're actually ovulating to give you the best possible chance of conceiving. So there's so many uses, there's multiple uses for this. Really excited to use it, and I will keep you all posted. I'm going to put the discount code, the link to the Mira and discount code in the description.